Hi. So please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Dr. Whitney White with Aspen Dental.
And what do we see here? What is this machine?
We are looking at the SprintRay 3D printer, and this is what we're utilizing to print our 3D dentures.
So what's a denture?
A denture is going to be a removable prosthetic that is going to be replacing the patient's all of their teeth on the upper here.
So how many people need these?
36 million patients are currently wearing
Just in
dentures.
the US?
Worldwide.
Worldwide. 36 million people have dentures. Usually it's like elderly.
No, that's a big misconception. Patients can be needing dentures as early, very early on, and it can be a disease state, so it can affect multiple people.
And what's the advantage of doing it this way?
The big advantage for our patients is it's fewer appointment times. We're cutting it down from what traditionally was 6 to 10 visits. We're now getting it down to as little as 2 visits for our patients. It's more precise with this process, and it's a higher quality.
And is it fully approved by the top professionals? Are you one of those?
I am doctor, but this is something that needs to be approved by the FDA. So this is FDA approved resin and the process as well. This is something that I do use in my own office, and I love the product as well. My patients love it as well.
Did you develop it?
I did not. This is going to be SprintRay is its own vendor, and we are utilizing that in our office, and we've come up with a streamlined process of how to use it.
What does this do?
This is a 3D scanner that would be utilized to scan the patient's mouth, and then we're able to send that over to CAD/CAM and get that printed over on our 3D printer.
But this is not actually 3D printed, is it?
This is a 3D printed denture.
The whole thing?
Yes, sir. This is printed in 2 phases. We have the pink gingiva printed, and you can see an example here and on this photo here of how the pink would be printed, and then we would individually print the teeth as well, and then they're fused together separately. So this is a 3D printed denture.
So that means people are going to keep this for a long time?
Yes, sir. This is a permanent denture that they would be having.
And can you say that the quality of that material matches the other?
Absolutely.
Really?
Very high quality, polish is beautiful, and I mean the aesthetics are there. It's a very high quality denture.
And it's kind of cool that you can go and say that my denture is 3D printed, right?
My patients love it. I think that they really like the fact that it fits better than the previous analogs, the precision of the fit and the looks. And of course, they like the cool technology piece too.
Is it very expensive?
No, it is comparable to the price of an analog denture, but it's cost effective in that they're only coming into the visit 2 times compared to the 6 to 10.
And so that the visits lowers the cost?
Their time, right? So time is money. Patients have a hard time getting into the office, so they're spending less time in the office.
Is there any chance that some customers could get renewed once in a while or slightly adjusted after a while, and when they complain about something not fitting quite right,
absolutely,
then they get a little bit adjusted?
Yeah, and so with our office, anytime that you are getting a new prosthetic, there's always a chance for a sore, right? Just like if you were getting fitted with a prosthetic arm or leg, adjustments can happen, and that's something that we absolutely do in the office.
And where are you based?
I'm actually based in Las Vegas. I'm about 7 minutes from this location.
And a lot of customers here?
Absolutely. Aspen Dental is throughout the United States, more than 1,000 offices across the country.
Can you say just a little bit about Aspen Dental? Is like a brand for quality, or?
Aspen Dental is definitely known for their high quality dental care, and we are known for our access to care. We're known at a lower price point and having longer hours and making sure that we're available for our patients.
And is this to be sold all over the world, or is mostly targeted the US right now?
That I don't know. That I need to follow up with.
All right.